Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. Today, we are looking at the car that Volvo is betting its entire future on. This is the all-new 2027 Volvo EX60. The XC60 was Volvo's best-selling model for nearly 2 decades. The stakes for its electric successor couldn't be higher. Visually, the EX60 is a masterclass in Scandinavian minimalism. It takes the sleek, closed-nose aesthetic of the EX90 and shrinks it into a more athletic, mid-size frame. It features the signature Thor's hammer LED headlights in a flush, aerodynamic side profile that helps it achieve a drag coefficient of just 0.26. It's longer and wider than the old XC60, giving it a planted, premium stance on the road. But the real revolution is hidden beneath the sheet metal. The EX60 is the first car built on Volvo's SPA3 architecture, featuring a cell-to-body structural battery pack. This means the battery isn't just carried by the current, it is the car's floor. For the first time, Volvo has moved to an 800-volt system, allowing for blistering charging speeds of up to 370 kilowatts. That means you can add 170 miles of range in just 10 minutes. At the top of the range, the P12 AWD variant packs a massive 117 kilowatt battery, delivering up to 400 miles of range and a staggering 670 horsepower. This family SUV will warp from 0 to 60 in just 3.8 seconds, effectively making it a sleeper car. Step inside, and you'll find Volvo's most advanced cabin to date. The dashboard is centered around a 15-inch curved OLED touchscreen powered by HuginCore, Volvo's new super brain that can process 250 trillion operations per second. It's the first car to launch with Google Gemini AI fully integrated, allowing for deep, natural conversations to control everything from your climate to your schedule. Safety remains the priority, with a roof-mounted LiDAR sensor standard on all trims and a world-first multi-adaptive safety belt that adjusts its tension based on your exact height and weight. Starting at approximately $60,000, the 2027 Volvo EX60 isn't just an EV. It's a computer on wheels that happens to be one of the safest places on Earth. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take this Swedish powerhouse on its first real-world range test.